We are today at Hilton London Paddington, and my name is Klaus Christensen and I'm the Director of Sales here at the hotel. And one of the reasons that we have a lot of different companies is that we are located adjacent to Paddington Station, which means that if you come from Heathrow, for instance, and there's a big international meeting, to just jump on the Heathrow Express, 15 minutes, and then they're at Paddington Station. And if it's more than a one-day conference, a lot of people prefer to be in central London, so you have a few different things you can do in the evenings. You can go to the West End, you can go and see the sights in London and so forth. So we get a lot of international conferences. So at Hilton London Paddington we have 26 meeting rooms, varying from small meeting rooms for 2 people to our Great Western Ballroom. This means that we have many different events, from small meeting rooms, from interviews to big product launches, weddings, birthday parties, Christmas parties, anything really from 2 until 350 people. One of our more popular rooms is the Great Western Ballroom. It is a very large room, has very high ceilings. We are in an old Victorian building from 1854, which means that the ceiling heights are great. And there's no pillars in the room, so the person in the back can see everything that's happening. It has chandeliers which can really change the scene of the room. It can look like a meeting room during the day, but then in the evening we can completely turn it around and it looks very much like a beautiful banquet room. We also have the Great Western 2, which is the second largest, which is about 1/3 of the size of the Great Western 1, which again works quite well because if you want to have your lunches or your breakfast or whatever, you have a very nice big size breakout room. And then our meeting room tends to be a little bit smaller than that. We have 2 or 3 rooms that can take up to about 50 to 70 people, and then again they become a bit smaller again, and it's everything from boardroom 8 people to boardroom 15, theatre style 40. On top of that we have some focus rooms which work for one-to-one meetings. It's basically some of our bedrooms that can be turned into meeting rooms. Again, it creates a bit more flexibility when it comes to the number of syndicate rooms that we have, but it also works well for just one-to-one meetings because you have all the facilities within the room. And then in our recently opened executive lounge we now have 2 meeting rooms in there as well, where you can take advantage of all the facilities we have in our executive lounge, and at the same time we have plasma screens in there you can use for your presentations, and you can rent them for the hour, you can rent them for half a day, and you can rent them for the day, so there's a lot of flexibility. In the meetings as well we have screens, so if you need to do any PowerPoint presentations we already have screens there, we have flip charts. We also have something called Hilton Connections, which means that the whole hotel is wireless in the meeting rooms as well as bedrooms and the public areas. And also with Hilton Connections we can actually do a private network, if you like, in one of the meeting rooms. On top of that we have a dedicated AV company which can provide anything from video conferencing, a PA system, LCD projector. We also work with other companies for private events. That could be for parties. We can theme the room in any shape or form. We can hire in DJs. We have jazz bands. At Hilton London Paddington we normally sell, if it's more than 10 people, we tend to sell what we call a daily delegate package. And this is just to make it easier for the clients to not think about anything extra cost. So that will include the lunches, which includes all the tea and coffee throughout the day, mineral waters including that. There are also things like a call button for anything you need. You just press that button and a dedicated person will come to the room within 3 minutes. There's also things like jelly beans, complimentary jelly beans throughout the day, and mints that people like. And just staplers, hole punchers, things that we know that people normally tend to use during a meeting, but they don't normally bring themselves. So we already have that in the room, so you don't have to worry about it. In the 24-hour rate, we include the daily delegate rate, we include dinner, we include the bedroom and the breakfast the next day. And of course, you can also take advantage of our facilities within the hotel, which is we have a gym, for instance, we have a casino, we have the steam bar, which gets quite busy in the evenings, and we have the brasserie bar. If you'd like to book an event at Hilton London Paddington, you can go to Conferences UK website and put in Hilton London Paddington.